This music video you just watched was created using artificial intelligence. I recently came across this YouTube channel that creates music videos, and they 100% use artificial intelligence in creating it, from the images to the videos, even to the songs, all created using AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go about this, creating music videos easily without even having to pay a dime, for free. I'm going to show you the websites you should use, the AI tools and everything that you should use to create something even better and similar to this. So if you're interested in this, don't forget to watch this video to the end. However, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe, because I'm going to be showing you so much information in this video. So first, once you're able to access the prompt file that I shared on my Telegram channel, you can come here to copy the first prompt very easily, just like this. This first prompt will help us to have a conversation with ChatGPT, or the kind of song that we want to create, or the kind of music video we want to create. So once you're done with that, you come over here to ChatGPT, and here on ChatGPT you just have to paste the prompts right here, and automatically ChatGPT is going to send you some questions right from the prompts that you created, because this prompt is supposed to help us generate some questions. But then, to answer these questions, you can go ahead to put in the details yourself. But however, I created an answers to this. If you want to go easy from the prompt, you just copy out the answers that I created, and then you can go ahead to paste them right in the chat box with ChatGPT, and automatically ChatGPT will respond to this kind of prompt. And from this prompt, it's going to also create similar song for you. However, if you're creating a different song, you have to edit this prompt. Alright, so now once it has created a song, you come here to Suno AI, that is suno.com. You make sure you select the version 4 or the latest version. You come here to select the custom style, then you can go ahead to paste the lyrics of the music right here, and you can edit out the unimportant words from it. And of course, you come here to style of music. ChatGPT also provided the style of music, and of course the title of the music. So you copy the both, and here in Suno AI you paste the style of music, and of course you also paste the title of the music in the title box, and then you create the music by coming here to click on create. So this is how it works, very easy. And what Suno AI will do for us is to create two different songs, right? And then you can go ahead to choose the one you want, and then you come here to click on anyone you want, and then you go ahead to hit on the MP3 download audio. Alright, once you've been able to download it, then you can come over here to the second prompt. Here in the second prompt, basically this is going to help us generate the images, and basically this is a mid-journey structured prompt. However, you can use it for other AI image generations like Leonardo AI, CG Dreams, and other ones, depending on where you want to create your images. Then I'm going to paste the prompt here, the one I just copied right here, and I'm going to send it to ChatGPT. Basically, this is a description of the entire prompt I wanted to start creating for me, alright, or the entire image prompt. And it's going to be asking you a few questions also on how you want the videos, the images to look like, the women, and all of other things. Then you can come here to copy the answers that I already created here, and it's super easy. Instead of you having to start answering the questions by yourself, basically this will be a guide to you. Alright, so once you paste the prompt of the answers right here, automatically it's going to give you image prompts that you can now use for your image generations. So once you're done with this, then you can start generating your image. Here I'll come to Leonardo AI, which I'm going to be using for this tutorial. You can use other ones. I will set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Also select the Phoenix 1.0, and then I'll paste in the prompt right here. Okay, and then once you paste in the prompt, you can go ahead to generate, and in a couple of seconds you'll see your images generated. So this is basically very easy. You can also use other AI websites, and you can see how they also works. So once you're done, you just go ahead to download them. Just like you see, these are all the ones I generated using Leonardo AI, and they are really looking so cool. So now I'll come here to generate and download them. Alright, if you want to download more, you can go ahead to generate more prompts to download more images. And here I want to create animations. I want to transform these images to animations. So I would use the help of ChatGPT to help me create animation descriptions, such that when I post it on Hello AI, this can actually help me to describe the kind of video I want. So now I'm going to come here to Hello AI, and in Hello AI I'll create an account. I'll come here to upload the image. Alright, that's the image prompt for the animation. I'll come here to paste it right here, and then the image that I want to generate to or turn into a video, I'll upload it right here and then paste the prompt. Then I will make sure I select the live option, then I click on create, and in a couple of seconds you can see some of the images, or the videos rather, that it has created for me. They are really looking stunning and really looking awesome. So this is very interesting, right? So once you're done creating the images, then you can then go ahead to start editing. So here I'm on CapCut, right? I'll just go ahead to select all the video that I've created using the Hello AI, and then I'm going to bring in the Suno music. That is the music that I created using the suno.com. Then I can come here to add some transitions, some overlay effects, and just basically do my editing anyway. Just add some interesting feel, rearrange the images, or arrange the videos and everything, just to make sure that it adds some interesting feel and make it really realistic. After editing, you can go ahead to save. So once you're done saving, the next thing is we want to add some effect to this, and we're going to be using this application called Effico application. I'm going to be leaving that in the Telegram channel. All right, and you can come here to the plus icon right here, and the image, or the video rather, that you just saved, you can come here to add some filters to it. They have different filter effects that you can add to make it more cinematic. Alright, you can see there are so many filters that can give it some cinematic feels. You can see it's looking cool already. So you can go ahead to use any filter you want, and basically the one that can turn the whole game for you is the effect. You can see there are beats effects, there are shake effects, there are hot effects. Basically these are for video, like for music video editing. You can actually use it to add some hits to your editings and all of that. You can see how I'm doing it. Once you're done, you go ahead to save. So once you have been able to do all of this, you can check out your video, and trust me, it's going to be really looking awesome. You don't even need to stress yourself too much. So once this is done, if you want to add some lyrics like captions to your song, I'm going to show you how you can do that easily for free. You come here to CapCut, and you are going to upload the video right here, but you come here to aspect ratio and select 9:16. Then you take out this layer of the video, just make it blank. Once you have been able to make it blank, you come here to Zimo application. Once you've signed into the application, you come here to select the blank video that you just created using the 9:16. Then you select the English version, and in a few seconds to minutes it's going to generate a caption for you. Alright, so you can go ahead to see how the caption looks like. If you want to change the template, you can come here to change the template of the caption to whatever template you want. So basically you can use these ones, the neon type of template, or you can come here to use the written text kind of template. Once this is done, you can come here to save or export. So after exporting, you can come back to CapCut. alright, to finish up the work. So you come here to your original video, and then you use an overlay option here to add the one you just generated from the Zimo application. You make sure the volume is turned down, and you use this splice option to make it like this, like a blending effect. So once that is done, you can see how it's looking really cool and nice. So basically, this is how you can create your videos.